Yo, what's going on, everybody? Thanks for joining me on this absolutely beautiful day. We're out here, Round Valley Draw up in Park City, and we have been getting absolutely hammered with snow for these past couple days. I got out and did some great snowboarding, and I wanted to get out today and do one of a new favorite activity I gotten into and go do a little snowshoeing. And I also got a nice package from Enlightened equipment that I've been waiting on for going on about 10 weeks now. So I thought it'd be fun. Let's go out, snowshoe up to a cool little spot, cook a little bit of food, open our little package from Enlightened equipment, and enjoy this beautiful day out in the snow. Let's go get set up and let's go hit the trail. So when I first moved out here, one of the first winter pieces of gear that I splurged on was a set of snowshoes. It's something I've wanted to do for a long time, but living in the desert, we would only get a dusting of snow. So when Black Friday came around and I was kind of looking at some sales, I splurged and picked up a sweet pair of these Tubbs Explorer snowshoes. I really like them because they've got these super aggressive like teeth on the bottom, but they also utilize this BOA system. So it's like the same system my snowboard boots use, and it allows you to really dial in how much this like toe cap or toe shield pulls in on your shoe. So it really makes you feel super connected to the snowshoe and gives you a really smooth experience out on the trail. You know, there's not a lot of like rattle or shaking around on your feet. And I actually made the mistake the first time I got them of going out just in regular shoes, thinking that that would be enough and support me. And I was so wrong. I got super wet feet. I knew immediately I had to get a great pair of boots. And so the next ones I did were these awesome Vans W-Taps, Wu-Taps Collabo boots. And these have like a full rubber bottom here and a nice aggressive tread. These have been awesome out on the trail. So I'm gonna go ahead and get set up here and put my boots on, throw the pack on, we'll grab the snowshoes and we'll get out of the parking lot here because a bunch of people are trying to pull in. Less talking, more action. Let's get out on the trail. All right, so before we get going here, this is right at the trailhead, Round Valley Draw, or Round Valley Way, excuse me. And so this is a map of it right here. So it's this huge open space, and there's a couple different trailheads you can like access it at. We're right here, and we're probably gonna follow this little trail right here, and then we'll probably get up somewhere right around the top here maybe, or down in here, and we'll try to find a cool little spot to set up out of the wind, although it's kind of quieted down a little bit since I got here. So let's get strapped up here. Let's go get on out there. It's beautiful, baby. Oh, I had to stop there for a second and take my puffy jacket off. I started getting super. Okay, well, slight change of plans. Filming on my phone because my GoPro, I guess, is not liking the cold. I don't know, I've had it out way colder than this before. It's like 28 degrees out. But I actually had to stop, throw my puffy jacket up on top there. So I started getting overheated. But just loving this beautiful spot. This is so cool. And we're still just cruising. It is so stinking beautiful out here. I love all the snow. And snowshoes are doing great so far. So we're still just trying to wind our way up towards the top here. And then we'll see about finding a little spot to sit down. So I got my GoPro like tucked in right here against my body, and in a minute or two I'll see if I can get it to fire up again. So hopefully I can keep filming this. Okay, so we've come from way down there. We just took this trail up. Normally there's another trail that kind of skirts this ridge right here, but no one has been on it yet, and it was a little bit more ambitious. So the trail normally takes you kind of on this lower ridge right here, and right now this trail comes up and splits right there. It goes up towards that little draw, and it goes up over there. And I think I'm gonna aim for somewhere up in those trees, because it's kind of sheltered off this side of the hill. And I have a little tarp that I might be able to set up as a windbreak once I'm in the trees. So I think I'm gonna head up there, and I'll see if I can get my GoPro working. We'll cook some food and maybe open a little box from Enlightened equipment. Okay, so down there by that little markers where I took my last video, I just hiked up this trail. These are the woods I'm trying to get into, but right there it looked super deep, cutting straight across. So I tried to come here to where it's a little shorter, but you can see my tracks. And I mean, it is, even with these snowshoes on, that's a fair amount of sink. Oh man. Okay, well, hiked off the trail and found a nice little spot. Let me show you my setup. Check this out. Now, I know I'm gonna get roasted for this hang, but it's just a little hammock tarp I got back in the day. But I just set it up under here, and I've got my little setup. So we're just chilling. Found a nice little spot where we're at least a little bit out of the wind and the snow. Okay, I got the GoPro working again. So I'm losing light here a little bit, but since I got my GoPro working, I wanted to make the video. So we got a quick setup here. Got the MSR skillet, and like the title said, we're making some heroes. So I got my pita bread right here. I got this Gyro meat that I got at Whole Foods. So I already tried it once and it's pretty dang good. I got my little salad I'm gonna make. So I got a Roma tomato, cucumber, and red onion. I got a little crumbled feta cheese. And then I'm gonna make like a little sauce for it with sour cream, some salt and pepper, some dill, and a little lemon juice. So because I'm a little cold here, I'm not gonna like set up the camera, and I wanna keep it in my jacket. So I'll probably whip it out here as I've got everything going and give you guys a little show, but it's not gonna be a regular hike, cook, and chill where I just have the camera set up because I don't want it to die. So I'm gonna keep it warm. I'll get everything started and I'll bring you back in a second. This is about 2 minutes worth of snow on the tarp here since I knocked it off last. All right, our setup. We got our little salad right here, cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion, a little salt, pepper, and lemon juice. We got our dill creme fraiche right here, just some sour cream, salt and pepper, lemon juice, and torn dill. And we got the MSR skillet heating up here. We'll get this Gyro meat here. Get it right on in there in a second, just letting the oil heat up. How cool is this? Yeah, it's pretty cold out. No! Meat's done. Now I'm just warming up my pita. Oh yeah, baby. Already. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Oh. All right, I'm about to do this dirty. That's so good. God damn, bro. Mmm. Mmm. All right, well, that was delicious, but yeah, we're starting to lose a little light here. So before I pack up and go, let's open our little box we got here. So, or bag, I should say. So I ordered this back in November on Black Friday. I've wanted to get some insulated gear from Enlightened equipment for a while, and this was a great opportunity. They did like a 20% off custom sale, so I got 2 pieces of custom gear that I've been wanting to get my hands on for a while. Banana and banana. So I got them both in the same colorway, which is digital camo on the outside and white blaze on the inside. Now, I got a pair of their Stronghold, I think that's what they're called, the insulated mitts. So these are 6-ounce Apex synthetic insulation mitts. And I'm actually gonna try these on right now because my hands are cold. Oh, baby. Yeah, these are sweet. Oh, man. Yeah, those are cool. I got them in an XL so that I can wear a liner inside of them, but yeah, these are really nice. I can tell that when I'm coming out on these adventures and I just want to sit and I can enjoy something nice and hot, these are going to be great to have. So yeah, super psyched on that. And for number 2, and I'm not taking my shoes off right now, sorry, I got the booties. So I got the same thing. These are their insulated little booties, and these things are going to be so nice for when I go out backpacking in the fall or cold weather. I can slip these on, and I have a cheaper pair that I got from like Amazon, but they just don't do that great. They do not insulate your feet very well. So when I had the opportunity to get these ones on sale and custom so I could get the colors that I wanted, I kind of jumped on it. So pretty psyched. Yeah, these are super cool. I didn't get the little flip tops. These are 6 ounces of synthetic insulation. It's called their Apex. They've got this little drawstring right here. Yeah, these are nice. They're so comfy, and they're really, the material on the inside is like butter smooth against my hands. It feels really good. So these are cool. Well, I think that's just about gonna do it for me here. I'm starting to get a little cold. We're starting to lose some light. My wife is probably wondering where I'm at. So I think it's time to break camp down here, pack it on up, throw the snowshoes on, and beeline it straight back for that car. I'm gonna turn the butt warmer on high second I get in there. Well, thanks for coming out with me today. I really hope you enjoyed it, even with my struggles with my camera. I had a great time. I really wanted to get out for a minute, enjoy this beautiful snow that we've gotten. So stoked I got out and got a beautiful little afternoon here to get up and cook some food and show you guys some fun new things. So hey, if you like this video and you made it this far, please consider subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. If you've liked it, please leave a like. And if you have any questions about my gear or anything like that, please leave a comment. If you've got a suggestion of something I should cook on my next outing, please leave a suggestion. I love hearing about them. And I guess if you've got any new gear recently for these winter or cold weather hikes, let me know what you've been buying or what you might have your eye on, because I always like keeping an eye on other cool gear that people are checking out. So other than that, hope you guys had a good one. Take it easy, and I'll catch you out on the trail. See ya.